Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use YouTube audio library. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. So if you want to use YouTube audio library, you have to have a YouTube channel and then sign in into your YouTube Studio account. So go to studio.youtube.com and sign in into your YouTube channel. And once you are signed in, you can find the audio library on the left here. So click on that. If you cannot find YouTube audio library on the left there, for some reason YouTube has removed it recently for me. So in that case, you can also search for YouTube audio library on Google, and the first position will be most likely YouTube audio library. So just click on it and it will take you to the YouTube audio library. And here is the YouTube audio library. As you can see, there are songs and sound effects in the YouTube audio library. Here you can search for certain songs or filter the songs available in the YouTube audio library by title, genre, mood, the name of the artist, the duration of the video, and whether attribution is required or not. You can also check whether attribution is required by going to the license type column here. And as you can see here, you can check if attribution is required or not. You can of course listen to the audio track before downloading it. If you like it or not, you can check it out here by clicking on the play button and the song will be played. As you can see, there are over 1300 songs in the YouTube audio library, and you can not only download songs, but you can also download more than 700 sound effects. So as you can see, you can also search for certain sound effects, or you can filter them by category. So as you can see, there are a ton of sound effects here. And to download the sound effect, just click on the download button on this edit button. The same is true for the music. Just click on download and that song will be downloaded to your PC or Mac, and you can use it in your videos in any way you want. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals, and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel.